I don't know. See you later. Take care. It depends. Well done. Let me think. I'm not sure. I'm ready. Let's go. Why not?
Are you okay? Follow me. That makes sense. It doesn't make sense. Hurry up! Not now. Let me do it. Slow down! Whatever you want. It's up to you.
I'll be right back. Come on. My pleasure. Never mind. That's not fair. Just a second. Stay here. Be careful. I'm running late. I can't wait.
It's not important. Not yet. I forgot. No worries. Wake up. I feel great. I have no idea. I hope so. I hope not. I'm so sorry.
Not really. That's fine. Of course not. No wonder. I'm home. I have a bad feeling. I'm almost ready. Hold on. I need a break. I'm tired.
I'm so hungry. I feel much better now. I'm bored. Let me do it. That's strange. What's going on? What happened? What do you mean? Are you serious? No way!
I can't believe it. That's unbelievable. Sounds good. I love it. I hate it. Good luck. It's okay. It could be worse. I'm coming. That's weird.
Take it easy. Calm down. Relax. I'm busy. Don't worry about it. It will be fine. What's wrong? Get better soon. There's no point. I don't mind.
Let's see. Wait here. You never know. Come in. Better late than never. Good point. That's a good idea. That's interesting. Go ahead. No problem. Anytime. Of course. Absolutely. Definitely. Probably. Sit down. Watch out! Drink some water. I doubt it. I don't think so.
I think so. I believe so. I suppose so. Can you wait for me? I trust you. Let me see. What's the problem? That means a lot. Could you help me? I appreciate it.
I don't know what to say. Sorry about that. It's hard to explain. It's complicated. Long story. Get some rest. Leave me alone. Listen to me. Never mind. Forget it.
No rush. Take your time. In other words, don't tell anyone. I heard that. Really? I feel bad. Can you do me a favor? What's the matter? I'll be right back.
Are you kidding? Don't give up. That's a pity. Let me think. Don't worry about it.